color Paper White. I had everything sanded and ready to go. Today I'm going to be trying this new spray gun I got off of Amazon, just to do the corners. Ever spray upside down. It comes out of the box all ready to go. You just have to figure out how to screw it together, which was kind of difficult for me. Now I just lock this into place. This is the adjuster for how much paint comes out, the trigger. So with the nozzle facing up and down, the spray is actually horizontal. And then when you twist it horizontally, the spray is actually up and down. These are extra parts and other nozzles to change the spray. There's an extra gasket for when this one goes bad. We're trying to figure out the best way to fill the canister. The paint is pretty thin. It's good for spraying. I didn't have to thin it out, and it was also great for rolling. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Just kidding. This is the extra long roller we used. We have giant rollers. It covers so much space. It's a nice color. When using a roller, he likes to go in straight lines. I prefer to go like all different ways. So really you can do whatever floats your boat. Pretty color. I'm really happy with that. He likes to use long sticks when painting. He says it gives him more leverage. I prefer without the stick because I feel like I have better control. So the top is actually an adjuster of the width of the spray. I have it at max spray so I can cover more surface in this corner. Covering, I think it looks amazing. We're getting this done really fast. So as you can see, it's not covering as well. That means I need to fill up, but I got a lot done with just one canister. Time to clean up my mess. I got a little overspray on my trimmings, so I'm just wiping it up. As it's still wet, it comes right off super easily. The ceiling, right?
It's too hard. See it?
Yeah. All right, I'm all filled up and ready to go. Round 2. Yes, guys, you're seeing this right. We painted the walls, the ceiling, and the trimming all the same color. We finished the dining room in less than an hour, and now it's time for the living room. Paint makes such a big difference. It actually transforms the house. It looks like a brand new house now. It is so pretty. As for the trimming, we're gonna add polyurethane to the trimmings to make them shiny and glossy. Anything to save time and money. A quick peek at how it does with this dark color. Well, I'm pretty impressed. Like it's getting empty again. I actually really like this sprayer because I've been having a lot of pain in my hands and wrist. So this actually gives me a break from using a paintbrush to do all of the trimming. This is one of our 4 bedrooms. This is the hallway that splits the 3 bedrooms. There's a pull-down attic. This room has lots of work. The ugly carpet. We decided to use our leftover laminate up here. Hey, how's it going in here? Amazing. Welcome to the master bedroom, where there's wood paneling, carpet, and drywall. This is a really large closet. I'm not painting the wood. More drop-down ceilings. Now we enter our fancy master suite with carpet and paneling to match. And to top it off, we got a low ceiling, tub, and our little coop area.